सोनाली फोगाटाचे केसीत ड्रग्स सप्लाय चेन उस्तूंक सुरू झाल्या. ड्रग्स सप्लाय करपाचे चेनीत कर्लिस बीच शेकाच्या एडविन नुनीस, ड्रग्स पेडलर रामा मांद्रेकर आणि दत्त प्रसाद गांवकाराक म्हापसा जेएमएफसी मुखार आयतारा उबे केले. कोर्टान तिगांयकूय 5 दिसांची पुलीस कस्टडी फर्मायल्या. एडविन नुनीसान जामिनाक कोर्टा मुखार अर्ज घाल्लो, तो भायर मारलो. ड्रग्साचे केसीत जामिनाक अर्ज खंय एनडीपीएस कोर्टात घालपाचो आसता. शेकांतल्यान कितले ड्रग्स जप्त केला ताचेरूय आर्ग्युमेंट. ड्रग्साचे खंय पॉलिथीन बॅगान घालून वजन काडिल्ले.
The FIR shows that the said methamphetamine was weighed with the polythene bag. So the weight was 2.20 grams as shown in the Panchanama. Therefore, the bail was moved here to say that the weight of the polythene bag cannot be considered under NDPS Act. It's not a prohibited substance, and therefore this court would have a jurisdiction to deal with the bail. The opposite party or the prosecution argued that this court would have no jurisdiction to deal with the bail because he's been booked under section 22B. So that was the overall argument with respect to the bail of Edwin, and then the order is passed rejecting our bail. Prosecution argued that since he is booked under 22B of NDPS Act, the bail will lie before NDPS court and not before magistrate. We are going to file in NDPS court now next.
एडविन कर्लिस शेकाचो मालकच न्ही, ताका कित्याक धरलो काय म्हूण आर्ग्युमेंट.
They wanted to have the documentation because our claim is that he is not the owner of the Curlis. He is not a owner at all. So we do under section 25. They need to under section 25 of NDPS Act. They need to show the Curlis were managed by someone or who's the owner of this person or under whose control this place was. Now our claim is clear that he is not the owner of the place.
So he's not the owner. Who's the real owner? On paper, who's the real owner?
That we have filed. That we will keep for
No,
later.
so since you are saying that, so since you are saying that he's not the owner.
No,
who's the
right?
actual owner
No,
of
see,
Curlis then?
legally he's not a owner of this place.
Associated to Curlis.
No, not. We are saying on the paper, there's no paper to say that he owns a ownership right.
So on paper, sir, who has the ownership?
There's no
rights, sir?
paper.
That is what we're
There's no
asking.
paper.
Somebody would own.
There's no paper.
Curlis,
That's what I'm
right?
saying. We have specific taken a ground in our bail application that he's not the owner of the.
So, sir,
Who's the owner? You can ask prosecution.
no,
प्रुडंटा खातीर लौकीक शिलकार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.